Hello, Namaste to all. Today I have come up with something very exciting with which we all can resonate. That is discipline. We all must have heard about discipline. But what's the importance of discipline in our life and how it can create miracles in our life? To know its powers and magics, let's get started. Discipline is the work which we have taken up or the aim which we have set. It helps to make our goals attainable. It not only helps in our professional life but also in personal life. Personal growth, like we can get accustomed to regular exercise, practicing of anything like waking up early or good habits. Like if somebody wants to reduce weight, he will not do only exercise or go to gym. Apart from that, he will impart other practices also, like drinking plenty of water, cutting down on junk food, having balanced diet, waking up early and all. Because discipline helps us to follow routine, manage time for each and every activity. It helps us to make a plan and follow that pattern. And just because of making the plan and pattern, we don't exert ourselves. Like if we want to lose our weight, let's say 10 kg. So instead of reducing 5 kgs in a month, we can go for 2 kgs in a month. In this way, we will go closer to accomplish our goal as well as we will get the encouragement also because we will easily achieve our goal in 1 month. So, living in discipline, we can accomplish our goals. Same way goes with learning any skill or language. It helps us to focus on our learning. Then we will not consider only one part. We will explore that skill in all the ways. By inculcating self-discipline in our life, we can easily accomplish our goals. Discipline not only helps us to be consistent in our work, but also pushes us to come out of our comfort zone. Many times, we impose ourselves on some work, which requires our fears to be confronted. So, discipline in its own way is all about planning, self-control, and follow rules and routines. Once you engross yourself completely to achieve your goal, then living in discipline, no power can stop you from attaining your goals. Remember, to achieve success, even if we have 0% luck, it's okay. 0% talent, it's okay. 1% motivation, no problem. But if we have 100% discipline, no power in this world can stop us to attain our goals. Thank you.